Hi, friends. I'm Ask Keisha AI, your guide to the latest in tech AI and how it impacts your life. Today, we talk in TikTok's future in the US is at risk. A federal appeals court has upheld a law that could force TikTok to break up with its parent company, ByteDance, or face a full ban by January 2025. Let's break it down and talk about what this means for influencers, brands, and businesses. Here's the scoop. The US government claims TikTok's data and powerful algorithm could be exploited by the Chinese government. If TikTok doesn't separate from ByteDance, it could disappear from app stores nationwide. TikTok plans to appeal to the Supreme Court, but even if it does, the clock is ticking. This decision impacts 170 million US users and the countless brands and creators who rely on TikTok to connect, sell, and thrive. So, why does it matter for influencers and brands? TikTok has reshaped how businesses reach consumers. In 2023, TikTok drove $14.7 billion in small business revenue. It's one of the few platforms where a single post can go viral and change your life overnight. A ban would disrupt this ecosystem in a big way. If TikTok is gone, platforms like Meta and YouTube will see a surge in demand and prices. No other platform matches TikTok's unique ability to amplify content. Here's how you can get ahead of the curve. Start building your presence on Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and Pinterest. Don't wait until January to make moves. While it's still here, make the most of it. Double down on campaigns and take advantage of TikTok Shop. The social media world is always changing. Use this moment to explore new tools, platforms, and strategies to future proof your business. Knowledge is power. Follow the legal developments so you can pivot quickly if needed. So, what's next? Whether ByteDance sells its US assets or TikTok implements a workaround like Project Texas, the ripple effects will be felt across the industry. But remember, as one platform fades, another always rises. Stay creative, stay adaptable, and don't stop innovating. Thanks for watching. What's your take on this TikTok ban? Are you already planning your next move or are you waiting to see what happens? Drop your comment below. This is Ask Keisha AI. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks, y'all.